Are you tired of the daily commute and looking for a way to make money from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck. The internet has revolutionized the way we work, and there are now countless online jobs available. In this video, we're going to be sharing the top 10 online jobs that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Number 1 on our list is virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a professional who provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. You can work as a virtual assistant and help businesses with tasks such as scheduling appointments, responding to emails, and managing social media accounts. Number 2 is online tutor. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can make money by tutoring students online. You can teach subjects such as math, science, and English to students of all ages. Number 3 is blogger. If you have a passion for writing and enjoy sharing your knowledge and experiences, you can start a blog and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling products, and sponsored content. I also suggest checking out the full article in the description. I will provide useful links to get started. Number 4 is online survey taker. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and feedback, and you can get paid for taking online surveys. Number 5 is social media manager. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for managing a company's social media accounts and creating content. Number 6 is transcriptionist. Transcriptionists convert audio and video files into written documents. This job requires excellent typing skills and attention to detail. There are so many online tools that can help you to transcript audio and video. So check the article, I will give some of them. Number 7 is web developer. With the increasing demand for websites, web developers are in high demand. You can design and develop websites for businesses and individuals. This is a rising skill on all the freelancer platforms, so you can get a good amount of income. Number 8 is graphic designer. Graphic designers create visual concepts, using computer software or by hand, to communicate ideas that inspire, inform, or captivate consumers. If you have the skills to handle graphic design software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and other tools, you may gain an incredible income from this. Number 9 is data entry. Data entry jobs involve inputting data into a computer system, such as updating spreadsheets or entering customer information. And last but not least, number 10 is customer service representative. You can work as a customer service representative and help customers with their queries and concerns via phone, email, or chat. All of these online jobs offer flexible hours and the ability to work from home. With the right skills and experience, you can find a well-paying online job that fits your lifestyle and interests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.